Have you ever improvised a repair, fashioned a homemade tool, or created a shop make-do? Then you'll appreciate today's shop hacks.
Do you lack a device that assists with repair jobs like removing bushings and sleeves from blocks or spreading clamping rings?
Our reader Greg created his own tool from a common locking wrench.
First, the Minnesota farmer cut the jaws off a 6-inch long wrench.
Next, he welded short arms created from bar stock to the wrench. These arms allow the jaws to be positioned in reverse.
Finally, the farmer welded the jaws to the bar stock arms.
Now, opening the wrench causes the jaws to spread instead of closing them.
And the beauty of using a locking wrench is that opening can be adjusted to suit the job.
Greg's homemade tool can be used to spread and install snap rings.
There's more where this came from. Other farmer-inspired hacks like this can be found at agriculture.com/shophacks.
While you're there, vote for the locking wrench with inverted jaws that Greg submitted for the Shop Hacks contest.